afternoon, friends. Important video, and in this video I'm going to do interplay of a particular transaction under GST law and under Income Tax Act. We have seen that on achievement of milestone by distributor and dealer, they are being offered gold coin, silver coin, mobile, laptop, color TV, refrigerator. Sometimes we give them a domestic tour and an international tour, leisure tour on achievement of milestone. So what happened when you're giving such gold coin, silver coin, these items, mobile, laptop? You're paying GST on same whether credit is available or not available. Under section 17 subsection 5 clause H of CGST Act, GST paid on any goods lost, stolen, destroyed, written off or disposed of by way of gift or free sample, credit is not available. It is barred even though it is in the course of furtherance of business. So under GST law, credit is not available on such goods which are being given either by way of free gift or sample. Now these free gifts or sample which we have seen, free sample, it is being given in the course of furtherance of business, but credit is not available. So we have seen in the trade that manufacturer offered certain gift item, laptop, mobile, color television, silver coin, gold coin, to their distributor and dealer on achievement of milestone. A lot of advanced ruling coming out, and it is being held as per the advanced ruling that credit is not available even though such items are being given for promotion of sale, for boosting the sales. Still credit is not available. This is from the GST law perspective. What is from Income Tax Act perspective? A new section 194R is being introduced in this budget 2022, which is now made effective from 1st July 2022. And a circular number 12/2022, dated 16 June 2022 is being issued, clarifying what is the implication under section 194R. This section 194R is being meant for deduction of tax, TDS, tax deducted at source. TDS to be deducted by the deductor on providing any benefit or perquisite to a resident in respect of business or profession, irrespective of fact whether such amount is taxable or not in the hands of recipient. This is what this circular clarifying a position, and 10 specific pointers are being clarified in this stated circular number 12/2022. So when you are offering any kind of gift item, any mobile, any laptop, any color television, on achievement of milestone, or you're giving domestic tour or international tour, leisure tour, because that such distributor and dealer has achieved the milestone, now there would be compulsorily TDS deduction at the rate of 10% effective from 1st July 2022. And what is being clarified, when you're giving sales discount or cash discount or rebate, which is in respect of supply of goods or services, then that is not under the TDS provision. So no TDS need to be deducted on such sales discount, cash discount or rebate, but any incentive, any gift, either in cash or in kind, given to the distributor and dealer, then there has to be compulsory 10% TDS deduction by the deductor, by the manufacturer who is giving to the distributor and dealer. And it is being stated, irrespective of fact whether such income is taxable or not in the hands of recipient. Having said that, whether it is only for the goods or capital asset, sometime we give car, sometime we give flat. So it is being stated it is applicable even for capital asset. And such benefit or perquisite may be in cash or may be in kind. And what would be the valuation? As per this circular, it is being stated it is fair market value of such perquisite or benefit which is being given. In case you are procuring such perquisite or benefit and then offering, then purchase cost. If you are a deductor manufacturer and you are giving your own manufactured goods, then valuation would be the price which you are charging to your customer. That would be the valuation for deduction of TDS. If GST paid on a particular item which is being offered as a benefit or perquisite, then the GST should not be included in the valuation for deduction of TDS under section 194R. Importantly said, when such benefit or perquisite given to any government entity and they are not into the business or profession, then no TDS provision as per 194R is going to be applicable. Said another important item for you, that reimbursement of expenses. When service provider is rendering services to service recipient and certain expenses are being met by the service provider, incurred by the service provider, but that is being reimbursed by the service recipient, that is again subject to and being considered as a benefit or perquisite for deduction of TDS under section 194R. Importantly, so any expenses which is being reimbursed by the service recipient to the service provider while rendering of service in respect of business or profession, then that is subject to TDS under section 194R. This TDS is not applicable only when such expenses which is being reimbursed, invoice are being taken in the name of service recipient. That is what the exclusion provided. Having said that, the other important provision which are being discussed for 194R for TDS deduction, and importantly, when you're giving leisure tour to your distributor and dealer, so expenses incurred for the leisure tour or leisure component, or you are bearing the expenses for the family member for any conferences or expenses incurred for stay, prior stay or post stay, except the date of conference. That is again subject to TDS. So what is important that you may organize conference, none is stopping you. You can do business conferences, and these conferences are important for business promotion, for letting your distributor, dealer and customer to know what is the product you're dealing with, what are the new feature coming out. You can organize that, none is stopping you, but it should not be leisure too. And there is expenses incurred for the family members for going along with you, then TDS. And even the stay which is prior to this conference and post this conference, and expenses incurred, that expenses is being considered as a benefit or perquisite for TDS deduction under section 194R. And threshold under section 194R is being stated 20,000 rupees, and that is going to be applicable from 1st April 2022. Though this provision is applicable from 1st July 2022, but this threshold of 20,000 is to be calculated from 1st April 2022. So any benefit of perquisite which is being given up to the June ending period, 30th June 2022, no TDS, but threshold calculation of 20,000 should be calculated from 1st April 2022. So this video was importantly focusing that interplay of a particular transaction, and transaction H when you are giving any benefit or perquisite. Sometime to influencer, there are certain influencers, those are YouTuber, they are promoting your product, and when they are promoting your product, you are giving the product to them. So that product is being retained by them. So what happened? If that product is being retained, it is being considered as a benefit or perquisite in terms of section 194R for deduction of TDS at the rate of 10% effective from 1st July 2022. So you can take your distributor and dealer for the conference, none is stopping you, but it should not be leisure tour, there should not be leisure component. If any family member going for such tour, then that is the benefit and perquisite, and any stay prior and post this conference which I am referring to is subject to benefit or perquisite as per 194R TDS deduction. And you are giving lot of gift, and I said sometime we are giving gold coin, silver coin, mobile, laptop, color television, on achievement of milestone, car, even the capital asset. It is being considered as a benefit or perquisite for deduction of TDS under section 194R applicable from 1st July 2022. And this cross implication under GST law, I clearly said that any goods lost, stolen, destroyed or written off or disposed of by way of gift or free sample, GST credit is not available, even though it is in the course of furtherance of business, even though it is being given to promote the sale, to boost the sales promotion, but credit is not available. So implication coming on such transaction, which is coming from GST law and under IT Act, section 194R for TDS deduction, compulsory TDS deduction, and threshold is only 20,000 applicable from 1st April 2022. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.